Jai Shri Radhe. Hare Krishna everyone, I am Giri Nandita and I welcome you to this very special journey, the 66 Days Gratitude Journal Challenge. We are starting on June 26th, that is today. Today is a really beautiful day for me. It's my beloved mother's birthday. My mother, Preeti, is a person who has always supported me, guided me, and poured unconditional love into every part of my life. That's why I choose this day to begin with love and gratitude in my heart. Matru Devo Bhava. And on the same day, it is also the birthday of my dear teacher, Vrinda ma'am, who lovingly taught me how to speak, how to express my feelings, and how to communicate with confidence. Acharya Devo Bhava. I am deeply thankful to both of them. For 66 days, I will post a short video every night for just 5 to 10 minutes, and we will journal 5 things we are grateful for together. Each night, I will first explain the meaning of the day's gratitude theme, like why we should be grateful for mistakes, silence, sunlight, or even challenges. Then we will take our notebooks and write 5 things together. And after that, just close your journal, smile, and go to sleep peacefully with a heart full of divine love. Every single day will have a special theme like people, nature, our own mind, body, breath, and even things like mistakes, silence, and sunlight. All you need is a small notebook, a pen, and an open, grateful heart. Let's do this together. And guess what? At the end of 66 days, I will be giving a free digital gift to everyone who completes the challenge with me. So if you're ready to bring more joy, peace, and love into your life, subscribe now and watch each daily video. Let's fill the 66 days with divine gratitude. And don't forget to share this challenge with your friends, family, and anyone who needs more light. Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Radhe.